You've been gone for 2 weeks.
Hello everyone. Yes, it is true. I have been gone for 2 weeks. And the only thing that I can say to that is life be lifing. And while life was lifing, I just decided to go ahead and take 2 weeks off. It has really been a roller coaster ride, but I really don't want to get into the reason why. It's just life be life. But while I was gone, my plants have been growing, and let me show you what has been going on with them.
You remember these seeds that I planted back on the 10th of March? These are bell pepper seeds.
Well, this is that bell pepper plant. It has the 4 stems, the 4 leaves from the 4 seeds that I dropped in. That was March the 10th. And today's date is March the 30th. It's been 20 days. And I think out of all the plants or the seeds that I planted, the bell pepper plant actually did better than the rest. I'm getting ready to show you the rest.
And this is the entire tray and a mixture of seeds.
And these are the other ones. Some of them look healthy. Some of them look like I don't know what's going on. Now, as you can see, the row of bell pepper plants really did well. They turned out pretty good. And I'm thankful that they even took root and grew from the bell pepper seeds. The beets, I don't know, only one took root. I think I planted 3 in each cup. But with this one, I only see 1 that took root. This one has 3. But what I'm finding that happened with almost all of the plants is they became leggy. And what that means is the plants took off and really grew long stems. And this is unusual. Well, it happens often if the situation is where the plants aren't getting enough light or the soil is not conducive for good healthy germination. So all of them kind of turn out leggy except for the bell pepper plants. These are collards, and look how leggy they are, how stringy they are. I don't know if I'll be able to save them, do something with them. Usually if a seed germinates and becomes leggy, if it has little tentacles on the side like a tomato plant does, you can bury that stem a little deeper so it doesn't affect the plant. But with these other ones, like these collards, these garden beans, these are garden beans, and they are extremely leggy. Look how tall that is, that little pot. That is really leggy. And another one which still has the seed still attached to it. That is really leggy. So I'm going to try to take them out and when I think they're healthy enough to transplant them, because I don't know how the roots look. This is spinach. I think I might have planted 2 or 3 in each pot. Don't remember all these other seeds. This one didn't do too well. It still has the head of the seed still attached to it. And the other one is really struggling. And this is also spinach. 2. So I must have planted 3 because there's 3. 2 of them still has the seeds attached to the heads. The other one is getting a little leggy. And I don't know if I'll be able to save most of them. I know I can save the peppers. The peppers did well. And the peppers actually were the only ones that came from the actual vegetable, not from seeds that I bought from a store. Now, I'm not saying that the seeds bought from a store didn't do well because they were bought from a store. It could be the soil. It could be the fact that I didn't have enough light. Because what I would do, I had them in a room where I kept the light on all night. And if it wasn't enough light for them, then it caused the plants to be leggy. Or if the soil, I don't know whether the soil was good enough. But anyway, I am going to try to transplant these, even the leggy ones, to see what comes about from what I try to create, and see if they can be salvaged. If not, then I'm gonna be starting all over again. But it really kind of doesn't matter, because our weather has still been chilly outside, so they wouldn't have survived out in the cold. But I just wanted to give you all an update on those seeds. I know a lot of you may have watched that video and wanted to see how they turned out, but I'm happy with the bell pepper seeds, and I'm going to transplant them into a bigger pot, and hopefully they'll continue to thrive and do well. But as far as the other one, I'm going to pray for them. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to try and keep them alive. So that is it for the update on the seeds. I will be back. Today is Wednesday, March the 30th. I will be back for some more updates and more gardening and more life, aging, and peace. I definitely have missed being here on the platform. I thank you for those of you who have been waiting patiently for me to upload this video, and I thank you for continuing to follow me on this channel on my journey. And as we all experience life be lifing, the most that we can do is continue to endure what life hands us. So I will ask you to continue to follow my journey, and if you haven't liked or commented or subscribed, please do, and I will continue to serve you with videos pertaining to life, aging, and peace. Thank you so much for following me, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.